Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. This one's black. Under the hood is a 5.3 V8 pushing out 355 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 22-inch chrome wheels. We've got running boards. Black leather interior, sunroof. Rear seat entertainment. Third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our Tahoe badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down third row seating. Coming around, we've got our LTZ badging. Hopping in the rear, we've got rear captain seats. Also, we have our video inputs for our rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, rear heated seats. Coming up front, we've got a keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, Bose sound system, power seats. This one does come with the driver assistance package. We've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, automatic transmission, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, our key, cup holders, wireless charging ports for your cell phones. This Tahoe has 73,953 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Tahoe, check out feldmanimports.com.